Hey guys, it's Jen here, Gold Glitter Girl, and I have a short, I guess relatively small Dollar Tree haul for you today. So, I want to share with you, and as you can see, it's fall themed. So, let's jump right in and I'll get started. Sorry if there's bad lighting, I can't really see, and it is nighttime, so that adds a little bit of a problem. So, let me pull one of these off. So I got these really pretty fall flowers. And that one's a little different. Cattails. Okay, and I really liked those. Okay, that'll make a nice little bunch. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them. I had already started a small flower arrangement, and so I might stick these in there, and if not, I have some older flowers that were outside, and so I might pick those apart and I might make something else with that, but I'm not sure because I don't want to keep buying so many flowers for each season because it does add up, but definitely going to be able to utilize these in a nice array, probably on my table for fall. Okay, and this right here, this is the only item from, actually not the only item, but this item is from Michael's. This is on clearance, and I really like the wood tone charger, and everything was, I believe, 40% off. So that was maybe $2 and change, so I really like that. I'm going to leave that here while I go through everything. And then I picked up this garland, which is really pretty. And this will be good for wrapping around the wreath or candles. So you can unwrap it, you can use it as a candle ring. So I like that it's kind of simple and I can do a lot of different things with it. Another styrofoam pumpkin. Looks like that one has a little glitter on it. So I will probably paint this because it is a little bright, and the other ones that I bought last year, if you remember, you can go back and check out my channel. I did paint a few of these last year, so very simple to do, and they came out really, really nice. So definitely going to use that. And then I picked up a spool of jute twine. Jute cord, it's called here, from Crafter's Square. It's pretty nice. It's actually a little darker than the one I've been using. And I don't even remember where I got the last one that I have. So it doesn't matter, but I did forget to look for the nautical rope that I was working on from before, but that's okay. I was in a hurry as always. Family was about that. And then also for Halloween, they had these at my Dollar Tree, which I thought was cute. I don't remember seeing these last year. They had a few different colors. So I just picked up one because I don't think I'm going to go all out for Halloween this year. First I have to get started for fall because I haven't decorated for fall yet. I bought a wreath form that I've been wanting to do, so like I said, I might stick some flowers in and just do a small wreath for the table. I'm not sure yet. And I bought some more wood pieces. They didn't have the little boxes, little, mini crates that I was looking for. So I just did one of these, and I might do like a, a bell jar or something, Not that one, of course. This holds my little stamps, but paint it and put a nice little candle in it or something like that. So I got that. And then I found these really cute stickers. Should have picked up more of those. Fall calendar that I've been seeing everyone haul, but I did find this one, and I liked the pictures on, excuse me, on this one, so I might use the pumpkin. And I might put that either on a on an easel on my table, or I could use it on a scrapbook page. So this is for 2021, which I know we all can't wait to get to 2021, God willing. Picked up some more wooden pieces, and I got 2 of these last year also. I really like those, easy to paint. I might use these for Christmas this year because I used the other ones for Valentine's. And I just happen to have the other one sitting here on my desk. If you guys remember this one. I didn't have time to look for the words. I didn't see them in my quick shopping trip, so I might go back to another, actually to a different one, and see if I can find it. But this is the one I did last year. And I have that hanging in on my doorknob in my craft room right now, but I do display it for Valentine's Day. Okay, so I got these. Okay, and as far as signs, so I got this one, which I've seen a lot of people, a lot of YouTubers and DIYers pick up. I might just use this as is, because I think it's super cute. And I got this one, which I'm not sure if I'm going to use it as is, or if I'm going to flip it around and do a cute little sign on the back. I'm sure all of you have seen this one. I have to check my garage and see all my fall decor from last year and see what I have and what I still can use. I'll do that tomorrow. And so I just picked up a few things that I wasn't sure that I had yet. These that I see everybody use, and now I see how big they are and why everyone likes using them. Sorry for the weird camera. You probably see weird shadows. So obviously you can put them together and make one big sign. Cut them down in half. So it's actually kind of a good idea to cut them in half. I could just use them as is. I might use one as is now, and then you make a sign, a different sign for another holiday. Not sure yet. And then I also got this little football one that I've seen. So this last year didn't pick it up. And even though I probably won't use the footballs, I will definitely use, oh, it got stuck. I will definitely use the pumpkins. So I'll probably just use the back. And the footballs, I can probably figure out something else to do with those. And I bought 2 unrelated frames that I might paint. I think I'm going to paint this one white, and this one I'm not sure yet. But these would probably just be for the house and for family pictures, not for DIY or holiday. And I bought a little scarecrow sign for my front door, which I don't have right now because I already left it downstairs to hang outside. So I think that's my haul for today. So I got a good amount of stuff, I think. I do have one more thing from Michael's, and I don't know what I did with it. The desk is a total mess as usual. I know I say that every time I film because I'm not prepared. So my apologies, but I did find a Jane Davenport butterfly book, and I know it's probably like staring me in the face on clearance at Michael's, and so I decided to pick it up. and it's super cute. And I've been looking at it for a while, and I finally got it. So that was my other one splurge at Michael's. And that was on clearance, so was the plate, and that's all I bought there that day, because it wasn't really there for me. So anyway, that's my haul, my fall haul. One of my favorite seasons to decorate for, if not the favorite. So yeah, thanks for joining me. Thanks so much. Please like and subscribe. Okay, so I wanted to add this to the video. Coming back the next day, and I just got my Amazon shipment in. And guess what I got? Ta-da! Washi. I'm just mildly obsessed. So, there's a little bit of a, not really a backstory, but I have been searching. Sorry, let me get this out of the box. Okay. So, this washi here, you can see it. Super cute, right? So, I saw this on Inky Quill's channel, which I'm sure many of you know Inky Quill. Adele from Australia, and she's one of my favorites. And she has been, I've been watching her forever. And I saw her use this on a few different things, different projects. And I saw it in her stash, in her little container. And I desperately wanted to know where she got it. I thought it was adorable. It's just my style. And I couldn't find where she got it. And I had written to her, but I know she gets a lot of comments. So I didn't hear back, and I was going crazy looking for it. I looked at all the stores, and I looked online, couldn't find it. And then I happened to be browsing through Amazon, I believe, or scrapbook.com, I think it was. And I saw the Dina Wakley washi tape bundles, and they just happened to show them, you know, like this. And she has got 3 or 4 bundles, I'm not sure. And I spotted this one. Luckily, it's kind of thick. And instantly, I had to have it. So anyway, I ordered it, and it came today. So I do love all the other ones. I'll quick show them to you. And this one is super cute. That's my fave. This one, I do like the blues. I can't tell. It's upside down. And I just like all the colors. This one, I have something similar from Dilutions. But the Dilutions, I think I mostly have the washi strips, not the rolls. So it's a media, Diane Wakley Media Washi Tape. And I think this is bundle number 3, if I'm remembering correctly. So I got it on Amazon. Thank you very much. And I can't wait to use it in a project, and I will be sure to share that. So I'm super excited about that. And then I also had these in my cart. I went ahead and purchased them. As you can see, I put the little pieces of washi right on just to give me a little sample. So I was so excited when they came in. And so I haven't used these yet. I don't think I've ever had Spectrum Noir markers. And I just love, these are the aqua markers. And first of all, look how pretty. Isn't that just so pretty? I know, I'm kind of a geek, but I know you guys understand. So, I'm not going to show you each color, but you get the idea. And I can't wait to use them. They're just so pretty. So that's my Amazon, my order, quick little order from Amazon. Busy at work working on some fall themed. Just painted my little pumpkin. doing my fall themed decor. So this video had a little bit for everybody. Some of my art journal and my scrapbooking subbies, and of course the DIY girls, Dollar Tree ladies. So I want to thank everybody for tuning in. I won't hold you any longer. Thanks so much. Thumbs up if you've enjoyed my little share, my haul, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. If you haven't already, thanks so much for joining me, and I will be sure to show you what I make with my my haul, if anything, and I'll definitely take you on a tour of my house for the holidays. So